This is clickbait. Okay, clickbait is not a computer mouse on a fishing hook, but it's usually something just as dumb. Clickbait is something on the internet that attracts your attention in order to get you to click on it. It's usually hyper sensational and ends in disappointment. I recently got this email that said 67 genius hacks that will take your life to a whole new level. Just for laughs, I thought you might enjoy seeing some of these ridiculous hacks that people publish just to get us to click on them. Take a look in the upper left-hand corner. Internet secrets, stuff they don't want you to know. First of all, it's on the internet. It's not a secret. And who are the they that don't want you to know? Information has value. Everybody wants you to know stuff. This way they can place ads on articles and make money off your eyeballs. There's not only articles and ads about life-changing hacks, there's a ton of videos like this on YouTube as well. Life hacks, simple hacks, cool hacks, school hacks, mind-blowing, cheap and simple, awesome hacks, genius hacks. Some of these hacks are just common sense, like cleaning your sneakers. Some of these don't even make sense, like putting a water bottle on your car tire to cool it down, which will in turn make your car cooler overall.
That's the dumbest thing you could have said!
Others are outright scams and lies, like this device you plug into your car's ODB port to save 35% on your fuel cost.
What are you, an idiot?
I'll bet you didn't know that putting an empty toilet paper tube under the seat could change your life. It promotes hygiene so you can lift the seat up with your foot. There's a brilliant idea. The tube falls in, someone flushes it, the toilet backs up, and now you've got hygiene all over the floor. The other reason is that it's supposed to act as a signal to the next person that you're out of paper. Try that with your spouse and let me know how it works out for you. Glue a penny to a wobbly piece of furniture. Now you might want to do this to somebody you don't particularly like in order to scratch up their floor. Check out this fake scratch on this pair of glasses. I can tell you right now that this will never work. Glass is a very hard substance and you can rub it all day long with toothpaste. It'll never remove that scratch. But of course, on this video, the glasses are good as new. Here's one that says never lose money again with this clever lip balm hack. If you ask me, this is a guaranteed way to absolutely lose your money. I don't even get the point of this. Who needs to hide $5 anyway? This is a life-changing hack to max out your microwave. This is actually the wrong way to do it, unless you want splatter all over the microwave. It's better to cover the first bowl with a plate and then put the second covered bowl on top. Organize your freezer the best way. If you need to use that shelf, the clips are going to get in the way. I'll bet the kind of person this appeals to is someone who puts their socks on a hanger. This is billed as an injury-free nail holder when hammering nails. You can use a dozen other tools, including a needle nose pliers. But keep in mind that these hacks are supposed to be changing our lives. So far, my life is about the same. If you think that was dumb, here's an even dumber idea for holding a nail. I'm sorry, but if you can't hammer a 16-penny nail in without help, then you need to take up a new hobby. A duct tape jar opener. Clearly, by all the mess on the inside top of this jar, it's been opened before. The easiest method for opening a new jar is to whack it a few times with a butter knife. That last noise you heard was a popping sound when the pressure released. Or you can buy a jar opener like this that works very well also. The description in this hack is to fend off Jack Frost. Cover your mirrors with plastic bags to protect against ice and snow. But what about the front and rear windshields? Living in the Midwest my whole life, I can say that frosty mirrors is not a common problem, and one that you can't predict when it's going to happen. A bookmark bread clip. The explanation says if you're reading a book and suddenly you need a bookmark while you're out and about, you can just reach into your wallet and grab a clip. Woo-hoo! Finally, a good idea. I always carry one of these along with a few spares for friends when we hold our book club at the park. I even keep some wire ties in case I need to fix a lamp when I'm out and about.
I'm not crazy. I just don't give a darn.
Here's a brilliant hack. Next time you drop your wine glass, pick up the broken bits with a piece of bread. Alternatively, I hear they just invented this. They call it a broom. Toothpaste to seal an envelope. Well, I can't tell you the last time I had an envelope without any adhesive and needed to use some toothpaste. You can use toothpaste as correction fluid. Who knew? Or else, you know what else works? Correction fluid. To end this video, I'm going to go through 12 quick, genius, life-changing hacks. You can let me know in the comments section how these hacks will change your life.
If you do these things, the next generation and the generations that follow will live in a world far better than the one we have today.
So if you want some real clickbait, click on the notification bell in this video, subscribe to AlleyPick, and if you want to be notified whenever I upload new videos, click on that notification bell. I'm Tom. This is AlleyPick. Thanks for watching.
And what started here will indeed have changed the world for the better.